Good morning, KG. How are you? Today we have English session. It's about new letter, which is letter Y. Capital Y. Capital Y. Let me show you how we write capital Y from first line to excellent KG to third line. It's letter V, line down. Again, letter V, line down. One more time, letter V, line down. The sound of letter Y is ya, 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 ya. Let me show you some words on letter Y. Here we will start with color. What color? Can you think? Yes, excellent. It's yellow, yellow, yellow. And I have here another thing. It's a game, we play with it. I think you'll like it because I like it too. It's yoyo, yoyo, yoyo. And the last thing here, it's yacht, yacht, yacht. So again, KG, capital Y, from first line to third line. Letter V, line down. Again, letter V, line down. The sound of letter Y is ya, 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 ya. Words are yacht, yacht, yoyo, yoyo, yellow, yellow. KG, you have homework in our Sane Learn book, page 60, and you have to write also pages 58 and 59. KG, please study at home. Thank you.